Ako po si Ray Marcelora, ang operator ng machine dito sa DT Dumaguete. Ang machine dito ay ginagamit ng 6 na araw na may total na 136 meters. Ito naman yung printer head area. Last palit po ng white head is August 2023. Ang damper ay napalitan last week. Ito naman yung capping na may 60% good condition. Head clean. Punasan na wiper pagkatapos mag-heat clean. Nozzle test. Ito naman yung ink tank system. Yung ink level natin is sakto lang maliban dun sa magenta at yellow. Medyo mababa. Ito naman yung waste tank area. Last disposal po last week. Ito naman yung EVR. Ground wire. Ito naman yung stock ko na same YK, white ink. DTF powder. Ito naman yung consumable monitoring white ink at DTF powder. Ito naman yung consumable ng DTF film. Black ink. Ito naman yung printer daily checklist. Daily output record monitoring. Yan po at salamat.